Այդպես դեպետ էի թափում։
Չեշով լավ էիր ասում, ասա։
Լավ, ասեմ, տեսեք ոնց է։
Հա։
Սիրելի ընկերներ ու աջակիցներ, dear friends and supporters.
FemHouse is a queer feminist collective that created a safe space with minimal resources but with endless communal devotion for feminist organizing, resistance, and knowledge building.
Since we have opened our doors in 2018, we have managed to organize dozens of public events, presentations, discussions, lectures, feminist camps, reading clubs, and festivals.
We offered our space and books to various circles, including feminist and queer communities, activists from intersecting movements.
Our place became recognized as a post-war healing space and a refuge for marginalized voices. Our path was rocky. We had to change our physical space twice because of homophobic neighbors.
In late 2019, we opened this crowdfunding platform to mobilize resources for our own space.
You have a unique chance now to help us, to make us believe that what we do is important.
Every contribution matters.
Please donate and share.
Please give us hope.
Շնորհակալություն, սիրով Fem գրադարան։